My name is Sean. I'm a teacher at Abhishek Coaching. Okay, I teach public speaking and grammar, but it seems like you are all. It seems is it daytime where you are, Alex? I see a little bit of sunlight there behind you.
Yes, it is.
The time. Let's start with Alex.
It's sunny out.
It's sunny out now, right? Okay, sure. Okay, Brooke, how about you?
It is 10:34 a.m.
A.M. Really? Oh, I got 4:34 p.m. Wow. Okay, Jacob, how about you?
10:35 a.m.
10:35 a.m. Wow. Time difference is quite a thing. You guys know about time difference, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
No.
So sometimes I think when I go to sleep, it's time for you all to maybe eat breakfast or something, or wake up. You know, that's pretty cool. That's pretty. So actually, we could say that you guys are all in the future. Hmm?
I guess. Or you're,
I'm in the past.
You're in the future.
Or I should be in the past, right? Oh no.
Yeah. Or you're like a day in the future.
I'm confused now. Okay, I'm thinking about China time. Awesome. Okay, so who would like to go first? You could just talk about yourself, your hobbies. Yeah, Alex, you can talk about games you like to play, whatever. And I want you to elaborate, really elaborate. If you like Roblox or Minecraft, you talk about it in depth,
Roblox.
Okay. Yeah? Okay, first start with like an introduction, where you live, all these kind of things, right? If you guys would feel comfortable, I can go first. Yeah?
I want you to go first.
Okay. I'm Sean. My profession is a teacher. I've been teaching for more than 8 years now, both online, and I went to China. I'm sure you guys all remember when it was COVID, in 2019. That was the time when I went to China. I was there for 2 years. It was amazing. I came back. My hobbies, basically, in my free time, I'm also a gamer. I don't know if you would expect that, but yeah, I like playing Xbox and computer games, especially Call of Duty, Apex Legends. These kind of games is pretty cool for me. I also like watching series, and series. And my hobbies in terms of sports, I love playing tennis and ping pong. Yeah, that's it. Basically like that. I live in South Africa, Johannesburg, and that's it. Yeah. Let's let Jacob go first, okay? Let's see what Jacob does.
My name is Jacob. I'm 9 years old, and my hobbies are biking. I like biking.
Okay. What kind of biking?
Like mountain biking.
Oh, cool. Nice.
Yeah. When I'm older, I want to be a lawyer.
Wow. You're gonna make a lot of money, yeah? Buy your mom a big house?
Yep.
Yeah.
And I live in Canada.
Is it always snowing there? I don't know if that's just a common misconception.
It's snowing and raining.
Always? Really?
Not always, but a lot of the time.
Yeah. Raise your hand if you're from Canada. 1, 2, 3. Oh, wow. Okay.
All of us are.
Wow. So you guys must be great at winter games, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Like skating.
Awesome. Yeah. Okay, Jacob, you can continue.
Also, I kind of like playing. I kind of like playing Roblox. I make my own games.
Wow. You like develop this? You like code? Yeah.
Yeah. I'm learning how to code.
Nice. Okay. You can finish by just telling me your favorite food.
My favorite food is McDonald's.
McDonald's, really? Yeah. Okay, great. Awesome. Nice. Thank you, Jacob. Who'd like to go next? Yeah, Alex, you ready? Okay, Alex. Oh, sorry, Brooke.
You want me to go or Alex?
Yeah.
Nice.
Alex?
Is Alex going or am I going?
Well, I'm not sure now. Who's going? You guys can rock, paper, scissors for it if you want.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah, sorry, Alex.
My
Brooke.
name. Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
My name
you
is
go.
Brooke. I'm 11 years old. When I'm older, I really want to be an author. Right now,
Nice.
I'm actually writing a novel.
Wow, the new Harry Potter, maybe?
Maybe.
Maybe that'd be cool.
I also really like to draw.
Yeah.
It's one of
Yeah.
my hobbies.
Wow, are you any good?
Also,
You can be modest, or you can just say, you know, you don't know, you don't like to blow your own horn, but if you're good at something, you're good at something, right?
I really like to rollerblade
Oh, cool.
and ice skate, and I
Yeah.
also like to snow scooter.
Oh, like a snowmobile, right?
Kind of. It's
Yeah,
like
can
a
you?
scooter, but with
it's a
skis on the
scooter
bottom.
with skis on the bottom.
I live in Canada,
Yeah.
and my favorite food is my dad's Alfredo pasta.
Wow. Nice. Italian. That's great. Fantastic. Thanks, Brooke. Who's next?
Me.
Okay, Alex, let's go. Shoot.
My name is Alex. I'm 5.
Alex, what do you want to be when you grow up?
Canada.
Alex, what do you want to be when you grow up?
A music artist.
Really? You want to be a musician? Wow. Can you play any instruments, Alex?
A guitar and piano. And drums.
Wow. That's cool. Nice. You can be your own little band, you know? If you had how many extra pair of arms, you know, you could
One-man
play
band.
instruments at the same time. A one-man band, yeah. That's it, Jacob. Awesome. Alex, and what's your favorite food?
The butter bread.
Oh, the butter bread. Oh, okay, I got it.
He likes the buttered bread at Eastside Mario's.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. At first I thought it wasn't a restaurant. I thought it was a kind of food that I was just not aware of.
It's a restaurant.
Okay, great. Fantastic. Who's next? Okay, Taylor, you can go next. Hi, Taylor.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, Taylor. That's better.
I'm a good adult. And I want to be a teacher.
Oh, cool. Want to be a teacher? Yeah? What grade would you like to teach?
Kindergarten.
Any grade? Yeah. Oh, that's really cool. Awesome. You know, when I was in China, I played a lot of games with the students. You know, I had tons of games. It was so cool. It was a lot of fun. Awesome. Okay, Taylor, you can continue. Just speak a little bit louder, okay? Hobbies. You can talk about your hobbies, where you come from, right?
I like rollerblade.
You also like rollerblading. I think you and Brooke with your mom. Yeah?
Draw.
Okay, yeah? That's it? Yeah? And what's your favorite food? Pasta?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Awesome. I think it's the brother and sister now, right? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Who'd like to go first? Brother or sister? You guys can rock, paper, scissors for it, okay?
My name is Nare. I am 9.
Okay. Okay, you can go. Hi.
From Armenia.
From Armenia. Wow, what's it like in Armenia? What is it like in Armenia? Is it a beautiful place?
Yeah. Yes. Very beautiful.
Yeah? Let me have a look real quick. Let's see. Okay, you can continue. Tell me more about yourself.
I like to play games. I like to draw. I like play chess.
Oh, cool. Okay, you also like drawing. Yeah? Okay, remember, if we are doing something right now, you should add ing to the verb, right? So like, I am drinking, right? I'm drinking now. You add the ing to the verb, right? Okay, but that was great. Very good. Okay. What are your hobby? Your hobbies are drawing and what was the other one?
Play chess.
Playing chess, right? Chess.
Chess.
Oh, chess. I like playing Chinese chess. Anybody ever tried? It's pretty cool. I'll teach you sometime. It's really, really cool. It's fun. You have to think about it. It's like a strategic game. Who likes strategic games? Yeah, almost everybody. Cool.
My dream is to go China and live there.
Yeah, that's a great dream. That's my dream too. I want to go back. I want to stay there forever. Yeah. That's awesome. You must hold on to that dream. You can go. Don't let anything stop you, okay? Yeah, you go. Okay, and what's your favorite? Say again? You like pizza?
Yes.
You all, wow, it seems, wow, because my favorite food is pizza. Who else's favorite food is pizza here?
I like pizza, but it's not my favorite.
It's not your favorite, right? Okay, we got 3, we got 4. Wow, it's the majority rules. We can start a democracy.
I like pizza too.
Okay, great. Next, it's the brother's turn, right? Can you introduce yourself?
My name is Gug.
Good, nice, cool name.
I am 5.
You're 5 years old, right? Okay, I'm 5 years old, yeah?
I like football.
You like football, cool. Are you fast?
Yes.
Yeah, you're fast. Nice, okay. Do you have any other hobbies? Football and what else?
I like playing games.
Playing games, right? Oh, games, I think so, right? I think so. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Awesome.